moment you stop treating an image as a container and start treating it as a behavioral system, composition changes permanently. In this approach, the image is governed by intent-driven force rather than aesthetic decoration, and every manipulation responds to an invisible logic of attraction and resistance. The philosophical spine here is that visual elements behave like agents negotiating dominance within a confined field. Instead of assembling parts, you impose directional influence, allowing elements to yield or assert themselves through controlled distortion, tonal pressure, and spatial bias. A practical principle emerges through the deliberate imbalance of visual gravity, where one region of the frame is permitted to accumulate perceptual weight while other regions are intentionally starved of it. This starvation is not emptiness but latent tension, engineered through compression, microcontrast suppression, and chromatic withdrawal.